It tastes fine to me.
Okay.
I don't see why people don't want to eat this.
Y'all keep throwing them back because we'll keep eating them. I'm gonna try this without ketchup. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Southern Family Living. So today we're going to do a little bit of a kind of catch and cook. We caught these yesterday. I don't think I got any of it on video because a couple days ago I picked up a kayak. If you follow me on my Instagram or Facebook page, some of you probably seen that. I got a Hobie Outback. So basically what happened yesterday, my wife and I we launched it, kind of got the feel for it because it's a lot different fishing on a kayak than surf fishing. So getting used to it. I caught a croaker and a few catfish. I know I got the croaker on video. I didn't get the catfish because I was fishing from the boat ramp, the dock. Me and her took turns going in and out, so I'd go out for like 20 minutes. She'd come back and she'd go out for 20 minutes. But my wife outfished me. She caught a pretty good bit of catfish. Then I think she caught like 5 keeper catfish that we kept. And so what we did, when we caught them, we cut the tails, let them bleed overnight, put them on ice. And you don't get much meat off the hardhead catfish. Me and her grew up catching catfish and eating catfish. So I don't, everyone gives it a bad name and it's a trash fish. We don't believe in that. We just think you have to cook it right, do the proper steps, such as bleeding it overnight. So we've never tried it, but we are going to try it today. I'll show you what they look like. So I think we got like 6 catfish, and that's all you get off of it, so if you've ever filleted a hardhead catfish, you don't get too much meat off of it. And it is kind of tricky because the majority of the fish is, bone. So they got a real thick rib cage. So what we're going to do, my wife put some pizza dip in the oven. It's going to be amazing, but we're about to start putting some grease on these hardhead catfish. So stay tuned, like, share, subscribe right now to join the family. We're getting close to doing a 500 subscriber giveaway. More fishing coming this week. It's bad weather this weekend, and I'll get out there and get some good videos for you guys. The videos are about to be a whole different level. We're picking my wife up a brand new kayak in 2 weeks, so you'll be seeing a lot more of her on the channel and a lot more battles between me and her so you can outfish each other. So anyways, subscribe right now and let's get into the video.
Hey guys, welcome back to the kitchen. So this will be our second catch and cook. Our first one we did fish tacos, and Cody will leave the link down below. This will be on our Southern Family Living channel and the Southern Family Kitchen. I do a lot of cooking over there. So here is what we have. We're just gonna fry them. So I use peanut oil. A lot of people use either butter or vegetable oil, but I use peanut oil. To me it just tastes better. It's real simple, just flour, cornmeal. I'm going to season with Old Bay. A lot of people use lemon pepper, but I'm not a lemon pepper fan. For the egg wash, we're just going to do 1 egg and some milk and then salt and pepper. So I'm going to go ahead and heat up our oil though, because that'll probably take the longest. About that much just to fill the bottom of the pan. Oh, maybe. On like medium high heat. So while we're waiting on that, I'm gonna go ahead and pat dry these fillets. Now I know they look small, but on any kind of saltwater fish, they've got a big nasty bloodline that goes in the middle of the fillet. And if you don't cut that out, then it tastes really, really gamey. So although these look small,
And it's a hardhead catfish, so most of the fish is bone.
yeah. So this helps the all the seasoning and stuff stick better to it too. Okay, so we're gonna do the egg wash now. You're just gonna add just a little bit of milk. Now, with the cornmeal and flour, you're gonna do equal parts. So I'm going to do 1 cup of flour. Just waiting for this thing to dump it out like that. 1 cup of cornmeal. This will give it that crunch.
What we love.
Kind of stir it together. Okay. Now we're going to add some salt. Some pepper. And then I'm gonna add Old Bay. I think that'll be good. Okay, I think that is hot. We're gonna do a tester piece. So I'm just going to dip this in the egg wash. And then it goes straight in here. Let's see if it sizzles. Oh yeah, what is this? Alright guys, so with these, when they're crispy and brown is when they're done. So I'm going to watch these and I'll see y'all when we're done. I'm doing... That's cornmeal fingers.
Is it good for the skin?
I don't know. So like Cody said, this is a hardhead catfish, and a lot of people here call it a trash fish. I guess it's because there's so many different kinds of good eating fish in the ocean, and these are just not preferred. But we grew up eating catfish, and we wanted to try it to see if there's a difference between saltwater and freshwater catfish. So here's our golden crispies. Like I said, we only caught a couple. We just really did this for trial and error, just to see what it tasted like. So when they cool off, we'll give y'all a taste test. Okay. It's white and flaky. You see it?
Yeah.
This is with ketchup. Let's see. Charles? It tastes fine to me.
Okay.
I don't see why people don't want to eat this. I really don't. This tastes just like catfish from the river. It tastes the same. It's what I grew up on.
Just try it without the ketchup?
It tastes good to me. I don't know why people don't like it.
1 to 10?
It might be for fish. I mean, this is how Charles.
Sorry about the dog, guys.
I think this is I mean, I'll give it a 9 out of 10. I don't know what people's problem is. I really don't.
All right. Yeah, it is nice and white, flaky. I'll try it with ketchup first.
It's good.
So good. And maybe, you know, we did cut the tail, let it bleed every night, like I said earlier. But I don't understand why everyone gives it a bad name and says it's a trash fish, because it's really good.
It tastes just like a river cat, a blue cat.
It does have a little bit of that chicken flavor to it that people talk about, but it's more, I mean, it tastes, like Kelly said, river cat. And y'all keep throwing them back because we'll keep eating them. Try this without ketchup. That's so good.
It's good, isn't it?
Which I know my wife can cook, but I mean, very good, very good. We'll get Ian in here and see what he says about it. All right.
I just think, man, it's good, isn't it?
Tastes like catfish, huh?
And Ian loves fish, so.
We're gonna enjoy the rest of this and like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure you check out her cooking channel too. It'll be linked down below. Bye.